Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Sony BRAVIA 7, specifically the 65-inch model, the K65XR70. This is Sony's 2024 entry into the world of mini LED TVs, and it's generating quite a buzz. First impressions are strong. The design is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into any living room setup. But the real magic happens when you turn it on. The BRAVIA 7 boasts a stunning 4K HDR picture, thanks to its excellent contrast and deep blacks. This TV truly shines when displaying HDR content, bringing movies and games to life with incredible detail and realism. The mini LED technology is a significant upgrade, offering improved brightness and local dimming compared to traditional LED TVs. This results in a picture with better contrast and less blooming around bright objects. Whether you're watching a dark scene in a movie or playing a fast-paced video game, the BRAVIA 7 delivers a consistently impressive image. Sony's processing power is also top-notch. The BRAVIA 7 utilizes their latest processor to upscale content to near 4K quality, making even older movies and TV shows look better than ever. Motion handling is also excellent, with smooth and clear images even during fast action sequences. Gamers will appreciate the TV's low input lag and support for HDMI 2.1 features like 4K 120Hz and VRR, providing a responsive and immersive gaming experience. As a smart TV, the BRAVIA 7 runs on Google TV, which is a user-friendly and feature-rich platform. You have access to all the popular streaming services, as well as a wide range of apps and games. Google Assistant is also built in, allowing you to control the TV with your voice. One thing to note is that this bundle includes a 2-year CPS Enhanced Protection Pack, which provides added peace of mind in case of any accidental damage or malfunctions. While the BRAVIA 7 is undoubtedly a fantastic TV, it's not without its competitors. Other mini LED TVs in this price range offer similar performance, so it's worth doing your research to see which one best suits your needs. However, the BRAVIA 7's combination of excellent picture quality, smart features, and Sony's reputation for reliability make it a strong contender. In conclusion, the Sony BRAVIA 7K 65XR70 is a top-tier 4K mini LED TV that delivers a stunning viewing experience. Its vibrant colors, excellent contrast, and smooth motion handling make it a great choice for both movies and gaming. If you're looking for a premium TV that will impress, the BRAVIA 7 is definitely worth considering.
Video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.